So this is actually the first time I gonna stop at Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's? Buc-ee's? Buc-ee. What, Buc-ee's? Yes. So isn't it like the popular gas station in United States? In Texas? But why we are here in Alabama?
They just started it.
So they're spreading it everywhere now? Wow, so there's supposed to be a Texas very popular gas station, but it looks like it's everywhere now. You can see it everywhere. This is like a grocery store, it's not a gas station. Right? We can buy one of these sandwiches?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, buy so in case that we get
One?
hungry. It's like has a brisket.
Yeah, give me one. She wants some. She's hungry. What are you doing?
Burritos. I see the place. This store is so big. You're such a sweetie pie, you? Are you just a sweetie pie? Oh, yes. Wow, they have a lot of turkey. Wow, sausage, turkey. Yeah, turkey. Say hi. Hi. Kailangan ko mag-ilista while na You come back here. No, you come back here. Let's go. Where you go? Hey. Come on. No, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, this store is so, this gas station is so big. Come here. You're hungry? You're hungry? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Be ready. Wow, this is so good, baby. They have a lot of stuff. No, you can't get in there. You can just look. It's an old car. No, it's gonna get broken, baby. You want to take a picture there? No, right? I have no money, baby. Tito already got it. You have like that. Put it back over there. When we get back, we're gonna stop by here. Just I got no more money already. Tito's already waiting on us. No, we got no money. We got no money, honey. Okay, when we get back, we're gonna stop by. Please. I don't have the money. Tito got it. We need to find Tito. Yeah, this is that. Yeah, we're gonna stop by when we get back. Okay? Let's go. Rain, let's go, baby. Please. I don't have the money. Tito got my card. I don't have the card. We cannot pay it. We need to go Tito first. Okay, then I'm going by. Rain, we have to pay. You will get in trouble if you do it. That's stealing. Put it back. We're gonna go back here. Come on, let's go. Tito is waiting already. Come right here. Let's go here. Wait, did you hear what I said? We don't have the money. No, we're gonna stop by when we get back. That's fine for now. I said that okay, that's why we're gonna go. We still need a card. We still need the card. We don't have the card. We're gonna stop by when we get back, okay? Oh, there's nothing in here. Oh, no, there's nothing in here. Let's go over there. Come on. It's so big. Right here, baby. Right here. Our car is right there. Let's go. Hi, Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's?
Hi, Buc-ee.
Buc-ee's.
Hi, Buc-ee.
Gusto mo yung problema? Wala kayo problema ko. So, this place is like a shopping mall. It's so big. No, this is my first time. It was huge. It's so crazy. Like they have everything. The bathroom is so huge, it's so big.
Why?
That was awesome. And then it was so crazy.
Ah, you're so crazy. Yeah, this is my first time. Where did I go? Did you like that ice cream you have?
Not in your hand. Where is your baby love?
Alright, I'll see you next time, Buc-ee's.
I'll see you next time, Buc-ee's.
How are you? No? Never mind.
Amy.
This is chopped brisket sandwich. Yeah. Yeah. We'll taste it, what it tastes like.
Just
Buc-ee. Buc-ee's sandwich.